Welcome back, everyone, on the journey to transform culture. I'm Steve. I'll be your guide. It's a little windy, so I'm going to try to speak up and hopefully I can filter out some of the wind. Yeah, it's not having it. It's not having it at all. Killing me, Smalls. Sure is nice out though. That breeze sure does cool it down a little bit. Got our trees. We're back in the trees. Oh, I hope everybody's having a good day. Got to go for a stroll, and then I swung by the tree area here and enjoy some shade time. If you were a tree, what kind of tree would you be? You know, you have those little moments, right? You're staring off into a sunset or a sunrise or birds flying by, something like that. You can just feel you can just feel everything. It's all in this one space. Except for the guy racing down the road over there. It's fun too to see the grass shimmer as the wind blows it in the sun. Hopefully the mic on the phone's not messing you up. Hopefully it's just in my ear, but there's no guarantee. Thought I'd check up, say hey. Figured I might have a topic, but I think the topic is just to settle in and rest and not overthink it, overfeel it. Just stop, smell the roses, breathe. Enjoy the clouds, enjoy the sky. I know it's Monday. I don't care. I'll be working till midnight tonight. You know, that's how I do. I work till late. Enjoy my sunshine time. Oh, man. One thing I did think of when I started to walk was dreams. You know, obviously we can all have nightmarish dreams on occasion, but give yourselves permission. Always give yourself permission to dream. You know, to think good things before you go to bed. You know, don't dwell on the negative for the next day. You know, have a joyful optimism for the tomorrow, and then let that seep into your dreams. Because I think sometimes a lack mindset sneaks up on us. You know, it's not like we're overtly going, oh my gosh, you don't have a thing, or whatever. I think it's just sneaky. It tries to sneak up on us and surprise us or get us, when we're a little tired or in between. Our energy's lower. But, push that away. Consciously push that lack mindset away. The birds wake up, the birds fly around, they find the food they need, they do their thing. They don't have a refrigerator. They may make a nest, right? So we do. We clearly don't drive. And they play. You ever see birds play? Playing tag, kind of flying around and touching base with each other and playing a little tag. Bird tag. Good thing sitting underneath this tree is perfectly legal. That tree. Gosh, this wind is not great. So I do apologize if I do end up using this. I may have to block out the sound and just talk over it. I can't remember the last time that I just laid underneath a tree. I think I was a kid. I mean, I've sat under a tree before, but to where it was just so pleasant like this. Because normally it's like, oh, it's a great spot. There's mud everywhere, right? I guess in the right situation, you could do anything, but. I don't know, maybe I should take that wind as a sign. And I'm thinking this might be wind, residual wind from the weather down in the Gulf. Kind of sneaking around. I watched that show where, I can't remember the name, it was a Tree House Builders or something like that. Neat show. It would be super cool to have like a really cool tree house built. I remember having tree houses with friends where we would get wood and nails and snag and hammer from one of the tool boxes of a parent or relative. And we'd head off on our adventure, throw it all in. Back then I had like rucksacks that were like hand-me-downs or whatever that were canvas, but we would drag off all this like wood nails and everything. First you make your steps, your wood steps that go to the side. You have something to hold on to. You had at least at certain points, because the trees we were messing with were kind of tall. I don't like these, but not quite this worthy of a tree house. These are tree house worthy trees here. Yeah. And building the walls and the floor, finding wood, and it's kind of adventure. You don't really see a lot of, hear about, or I guess I'm sure somewhere somebody's doing that. country, but you really don't see young people kind of doing that stuff. You know, we thought that was really cool. Then we'd stay the night in the tree house. Because why not? Right? Because why not? I remember sleeping on the ground in the summertime at my cousin's in Oregon. It was so dark out. They lived in the country. It would be so dark out that the sky was super clear and black. It was like every star was like 4K. And I mean, you could see the whatever satellites flying by or whatever, space junk, whatever it was. You could see, you know, stuff that well. It's been a while since I've been out that far to where I can see the stars and all that stuff. But it happens. Not often enough, but it happens. Haven't seen any birds up here. Where the shade really knocks that heat down to where it's really pretty nice. It's about 80 something today, but it feels about 10 degrees cooler with the wind blowing. All right, just meandering, checking in. Catch up with y'all later.